The mantis shrimp, nature's color vision expert. The mantis shrimp is a remarkable marine crustacean known for its vibrant colors and extraordinary eyesight. With an astonishing 16 types of color receptors, compared to the 3 we have, mantis shrimp can see a spectrum of colors that include ultraviolet light. This incredible vision helps them navigate their complex underwater environment and communicate with each other. But that's not all. The mantis shrimp is also famous for its powerful claws, which can strike with the speed of a bullet, capable of cracking open shells and even breaking aquarium glass. The combination of beauty and brute strength makes the mantis shrimp one of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean.